No sound. Can you guys hear me? Morning. Good morning. Hey, guys. Hey, guys, we're just going to let some people pop in. Good morning. Hey, Genesis. Hey, Dan. Thanks for hitting the like button, guys. Good morning, Ronnie, Oscar, Dill, Mo. Good morning. Nice to see you. Hey, guys. Grand Rising. Hey, Genesis. Nice to see you. Good morning. Hey, guys. Hey, the Hey Assistant. Nice to see you, Daniel. Nice to see you. Guys, if you could repost the live right now, that would be awesome. All you have to do is press that little repost button at the bottom of the screen. That will actually allow us to get a little bit more out there today since this is an odd time. Hey, Dan, happy Memorial Day to you as well. Guys, thank you to all of the people in the service who have served our country and those who haven't come home. We remember them today. Thank you so much for sharing the live, guys. Meteor, Rick, nice to see you. Tofek, nice to see you. Julia, good morning. Good morning. Yo, Solano Cruz is in the house. Good morning. Short BTC at 79.2. Lee, nice to see you. Is that what you're thinking? Yeah, for me, we have to get up and over 79.4 or else we are coming down, right? Does look like BTC dominance is dropping a little bit, though. Can you guys hear me? How is everything sounding? King, good morning, guys. Thank you so much for tapping that share button. I really appreciate you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single morning. Hey, now today is going to be a good day with you, love. Thank you. Real Hope, nice to see you. Sounds good. Can XRP break through $3? I think so eventually. Do I think so right now? I don't know, Marin. Nice to see you, Mikey. Guys, I'm going to get a piece of paper so I can write down some all. I'm at home today. That's why I have the virtual background. Spacey is in the house, killing it with the shares. Lady Long-Term, nice to see you. Good morning. Love the background. No, it's not my background, right? I know, right? We got to do this because I'm in my house, and my house is a little bit messy right now. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Robert, Clay, Lady Long-Term, Solano, Apples, Eddie, Amber, Ryan, Nate Dog. Good morning, Spacey. Nice to see you. Adrian, good morning, guys. ARC is in the house, guys. We got the whole gang here today. If you guys could tap the screen, share the live out, that would be awesome. This is not my normal time. I will be back to hello, new here from the invite. Chaos Wonderland, nice to see you. Thank you so much for being here. Bits Crypt, nice to see you. Mikey, thank you so much for the heart me's, guys. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hey, we are just working trader. Good morning. We are just going to wait and let some people get in while we play this song out. This is a Red, White, and Blue by Brian McKnight and Rascal Flatts, right? Good for Memorial Day. Good morning. Hey, Rachel. Guys, you're all in here this morning. So nice to see you. We're going to see what Bitcoin is doing. Then we'll go to some of the alts. I'm going to be on for about an hour and a half today. And guys, thank you for being patient with me. I appreciate you. I was gone for the last week. I will be back to my normal schedule tomorrow. Again, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We've missed you. I miss you guys. And I am not a financial advisor, guys. I usually have a backwards hat on and a crop top. Financial advisors do not wear that, unfortunately, right? So please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my information, my TA in here. Guys, I am not always right. I'm human, right? What I'm trying to do is help you see the charts the way that they're supposed to be seen. Ray's, good morning. Marin, good morning. Green Day-ish, says ARC. Yeah, we're going to see if it's going to stay that way, right? We're going to see if it's going to stay that way. Guys, if you haven't been in here before, a couple of things I'll let you know before we go ahead is I am bearish midterm, right? Until we get up and over 89K, then I'm 50% bullish. We get up and over 108K, I'm 100% bullish, right? Why am I like that? Because we're still in a bear flag on the daily. And until we get up and out of that bear flag and invalidate it, right now, we're still sitting in it, right? The 2024 and 2026 chart look the same. We are about to explode. I hope so, BitScript. I hope so. Solom Spartan is in the room. Good morning. Nice to see you. I'm so glad. Guys, Solom is one of my OGs. Thank you so much for supporting me as much as you have. Guys, thank you all in here for supporting me as much as you have and for being patient with me the last week. I am back. I am feeling good. Money Talk is in the house, guys. Give her a follow. She is a G. She has a lot of information about the numbers that are coming out, the expirations. Guys, she gives us a ton of information all the time, and she works in the industry. If you guys don't follow her, go ahead and give her a follow. We're going to get to the charts in just a second here. Again, Chelsea, Bullish Babe, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single morning. Birdman, thank you so much. You guys know I donate about 90% of my gifts to someone in need. This month, they are going to a young woman who has been diagnosed with colon cancer. Guys, thank you so much for allowing me to pay it forward every single week. I appreciate you guys. Dear, when do you think the bull market will come? I really need it. I hope now, Marin. I hope now. I don't know, though. We have to get up and over certain resistance levels. Good morning, Mama. Good morning. I am Ray Todd. Nice to see you. Lady Long-Term, thank you for the heart need. Birdman, thank you for the money gun. Solom, thank you so much for the gifts. You guys know I appreciate you. Fatima, nice to see you. Good morning. Guys, we're going to get to the charts right now. I know we've waited long enough. Two quick things, business things before we start. I have an off TikTok group. If you guys want to learn how to chart and to trade, right? We learn how to chart first, and then we learn to trade. Solom Smart, nice to see you. Thank you. K Mary, thank you so much. Guys, we learn to chart first, then we learn to trade. We do not leverage trade unless we know what the charts are doing. If you don't know how to read the charts, you have no business trading, okay? No business. You will lose everything a little bit at a time if you do that. Solom Spartan, thank you so much. You're so funny. Thank you. Yeehaw. Guys, thank you to all the service members in here. Chris Manguso, nice to see you. Thank you to all the service members in here. We are here on Memorial Day. We are remembering those that we lost, that have fought for our country and died and left, like I said in my post today, left their loved ones to fight for our loved ones. Thank you so much for doing what you have done, guys. If you are in the audience, we appreciate you and we thank you. Lordly, thank you. Solom Spartan with the corgi, thank you so much. Guys, off TikTok group. It is called Level Up Crypto. If you guys want to, Spacey, thank you so much. If you guys want to join that group, all you have to do is click the link in my bio. That is my link tree. You can go there right now. It's 7 days free. Come in there and hop in with us, guys. If you are interested in charting and in trading, you can learn both in that group. If you are in that group, if you would drop a W in the chat so that everyone knows how many people are in that group. Guys, it is a small group right now, and we are learning every single day. I do school in there every single day, and I teach in there every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is not a signals group. It is a school, guys. Join us. It's amazing. Join already. Blake said, so she can stop saying it. Hey, Blake, good morning. What's your pick today? W, there's the W's in the chat, guys. Come and join us. It is free for 7 days, no loss to you. If it's not valuable to you, you can pop out. Other thing, last piece of business, then we'll get to the charts. I am a Bitunix affiliate. If you guys are looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on, please do go to bitunix.com and use my code BullishBabe in the invitation code. We have trading competitions coming up. You also get a 20% bonus on deposit for anything over $100. That's a futures deposit, guys. Anything up to a $2,000 deposit gets you about $400. So guys, that's a great bonus. If you guys are looking and you are a trader, please do not join if you are not a trader, right? If you don't know what you're doing, come into my school first, click the link in my bio, learn how to chart and to trade, and then use that, right? There we go. Wow, I actually get to watch you this morning, Woodworker. Good morning. Here we go, guys. I'm going to make myself small so that we can make the charts big, and we're going to go to Bitcoin. We're going to start off on the daily like we usually do. We're going to work through the time frames. We use Bitunix, Bullish Babe, Mr. Dare. Thank you so much. Guys, we work through the time frames here. Why? Because every time frame matters, right? The small ones can flip the big ones, but only if they gang up together to flip the big ones, right? We have a big turn on the big ones. Very, very likely, unless we have a small turn on the small ones and they add up, we are not going anywhere but where the big ones are telling us they're going. Let's go to the daily, guys. I'm going to make myself small. We're going to put baby in a corner so that we can start this session. We're going to start off on Bitcoin. If you guys would share the live with out for me, that would be awesome. Hold on one second, guys. I'm going to change my music a little bit, right? Here we go. We're going to change the music a little bit. Yeah, we'll do a little Craig David this morning. Been eyeing Mezzo. Yeah, we'll take a look at Mezzo and Edge. Blake has the picks, guys. He is a ringer for the smaller ones. Mezzo. And let's see. Edge. Edge X. And we'll do XRP, guys. If you guys have any other alts, you can drop them in the chat. We are going to do as many as possible. Spacey, thank you so much for sharing the live. Mr. Dare, thank you for the heart me. Guys, if you would share the live, if you would click the like button, just tap your screen. All it takes is a finger, and we'll get started. Here we go. Let's go to Bitcoin we're going to go to the daily first. We're going to take a look at the daily. We're going to work our way through the time frames, and XRP will moon. I think it will too, BitScript. I think it will too. However, we might have a little while to wait. What we need to see is if we can actually hold support right now. Look at the daily on Bitcoin. Guys, my charts are messy. My thoughts are organized, right? Messy charts make pretty profits. And so if you'll excuse my charts, there we go. Near either here or in Skool, please. There we go. Thank you, Mr. Dare. Here we go, guys. Taking a look at the daily. Why am I bearish midterm? We're not going to be bearish today because right now we are holding support, and that is a really, really good thing. However, Spacey, thank you so much, guys. Give Spacey a follow. He has great music. Super grooves, right? Perfect. Good morning. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Why am I bearish midterm? Because there's a huge bear flag here. As you can see, here's the pull. Here's the flag. We are inside of the flag, guys. Unless we get up and out and invalidate it, we're coming down. And where are we coming down to? I'm just going to show you this, and then we're going to get to the bullishness today, right? But I want all of the new people in here. Where have you been, Chica? I can't function without your updates. YOLO travel, thank you. I was actually at the Mayo Clinic. I have some health stuff going on, so I was there for a week. I am back, and let me just say, their medical facility is unreal. And let's see what it does. But that's where I was, guys. Thank you for being patient with me. I appreciate you. Here's a bear flag, guys. Right? We are watching this. Why are we watching this? Because we're still in the bear flag. You measure from the top of the pole to the bottom. You drag this to the supposed breakout. We are at the bottom of the channel. Oh, it's okay, YOLO. It's okay. Right, guys? I am positive there are way more people that were there that have way more health issues than me. So I am so grateful that I was able to actually have that experience. Caveman Fantasy, good morning. Guys, give him a follow. He has a great show every Sunday night with Blockchain Bully and Crypto Wewo. They did hype last night. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Guys, give him a follow. He is a great creator. Here we go. We drop this level right here, right? Good morning, Damon. Nice to see you, right? We drop this level right here at 74,715. You guys know this is one of my nemesises, right? 74,737, nemesis. We dropped that level. Very, very likely we're coming down here, but we're going to get to the bullishness right now. Right? That is why I'm midterm bearish and why I am not bullish unless we get up and over that 89K. Why? Because if we don't get up and over this channel that we are in, which is the flag of the bear flag. Good morning, Chris Lucian. Good morning, Maren. Good morning, Hawk. Right? Here we go. We don't get up and over this, guys, which to me, we really have to get up and over this level at 89,251. We don't get up and over that. We're not invalidating. We are not invalidating the bear flag. Okay, YOLO travel. Spacey, Damon, Joe, nice to see you. Thank you so much. Bullish is up. I know, money. I know. We are bullish right now, right? As long as we hold support. However, we still have to get up and out of this, right? Daily, guys, we're looking up on the Stokes. We're looking up on the RSI. RSI 6, which is my orange line right here, is looking to push through the 12 and the 24. But I am watching something, and this is it, guys, right? We are slumping over a little bit on the RSI, so we have to watch for weakness here. If this does roll over, we are tilted up on the Stokes, and we are looking up on the RSI, but if this tends to roll over, because the lower time frames are rolling us over, we may have a problem. Big opportunities on Friday. These are the big ones to reset the new incoming month. There we go, Money Talk. You got to listen to her, guys. RSI, Marwan, good morning. ING, yeah, we can do ING. Here we go. We can do ING. Here we go. Uh-oh, guys. We got an options expiry. Money Talk says on Friday. We got to watch that. How much is expiring, money? And do we know the max pain? Let's take a look. Guys, thank you so much for sharing the live. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being here. Let's go to the 8-hour. Actually, guys, we're going to go down to the 12-hour today. I'm hoping Skyman stops in here and maybe Pharaoh and lets us know what they think. Theta. There we go. Oh, we can do Theta. Yep. Hey, what's the ticker for Theta? Right? RSI is old news, Marwan. I don't just use the RSI, right? I use it in combination with the Stokes, the moving averages, support and resistance, and diagonal trend lines, right? So I'm not just using the RSI. I use it for confirmation. I hope everyone has a beautiful holiday today. You too, Shauna. Nice to see you guys. Thank you to my mods. Money Talk. Rude Boy, the Eric Watson, the assistant, Sarah, Shauna, J. Cosmic Crypto, B. Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you so much for being my mods in here, guys. I appreciate you. Hailfire Collectibles is in the house. Nice to see you. Yeah, we'll do Zach. We'll do Zach for you, Spacey. Here we go, guys. 12-hour. What are we looking at on the 12-hour? This is what we're looking at, guys. This is the main thing that I'm looking at is this bull flag right here. We don't pop out of this bull flag and make a move up and over resistance. We are coming back down. We love you, BB. Thank you, Shauna, you too, right? Here we go. We're looking at this here, right here, guys. We've got this bull flag right here. We got to move that a little bit. There we go. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. I'm going to lengthen this out so that you can see it a little bit better. Here we go. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We break out of this. We're trying to right now, but we have not broken up and out. Bastrug, nice to see you. M, nice to see you. What is this? This is crypto. Nice to see you, M. Hailfire, thank you. Joe, thank you. Here's the pole. Here's the flag, guys. We pop out of this flag to the upside. This gets us up and over major resistance. Now, we know that when we have a web of resistance above our head, what happens, guys? We need to look at it. Took a long time to get up and over 77,354. Guys, these are levels that have been on my chart for months. If you have been in here, I'm doing Bitcoin right now. I'm sorry, M. I'm sorry. I didn't realize what you were asking. I thought you were asking what we were doing in general, right? Here we go. Here's the pole. Here's the flag, guys. We finally got up and over this level at 77,323. Then the next level of resistance was here at 77,495. Now we are up and over it. However, hey, Fred, nice to see you. Guys, give him a follow. He is probably the funniest person I've ever met in my life. Give him a follow. He just had a post go viral. He's hysterical. You can see the coin she's looking at behind the candles. Yeah, guys, the watermark is behind the candles if you guys can't see what I'm looking at. Sometimes it's kind of hard to see, right? If you're running in losses, oh no, Mirani, we're not going to join your group. I'm sorry, right? Here we go. We have now just gotten over this level. Now, guys, here's the thing. Right? I am looking for this to push. I want this to push, right? We are rolling over on the Stokes but we are rolling up on the RSI. Now, for the past week, I usually like when they are pointed in the same direction, but what I will say is this. Over the last week, the Stokes have been turning down while the RSI is turning up. Genesis, let's go, right? Well, the RSI is turning up, and what this has said to me is every single time we have pushed in the last couple of, look at us trying to get up and over that 77,977. Let's go. Are we going to do it on this live? Let's do it, guys. What I'm looking for is for us to break that 78K, 77,977, guys, that's my level. We get up and over that, and then up and over the signal trend line at 78,434. We're golden for me, right? We come back down and retest one of those levels. What we say in here is this. What's this, Marco? This is crypto. Nice to see you. Look at the price on the right, people. You can tell instantly what coin she's on. There we go. Thank you, ARC. Guys, what do we say in here? What we want is we want a steady move up where I always say in here, I'm about to fade, says Genesis. Look at MNQ. I can put that on my list, MNQ. What do we relate this to, guys? When Bitcoin wants to rise, what do we need it to do? When you go to the beach and you build a sandcastle with dry sand, right? What happens? Somebody walks by it, it all collapses. What happens when if you're watching your kids, what happens if they run down to the ocean, get some wet sand, and come and pat down a foundation, and then go back and add another layer? That is what we're looking for. Resistance and support, you got it, right? What we need to do is we need to come up, maybe retest some of these levels on the lower time frame to then make our way up. That is the way we build a ladder that is stable. If we don't build a ladder that is stable and we just go up here, look at what happened here, guys. We came right back down. We need to touch resistance, period. Bear market bully, nice to see you, Bastard, thank you, right? Daily basis, I am on the 12-hour right now. Guys, we're going to work our way through the time frames. We are rolling over on the 12-hour and the Stokes. However, the RSI has been the thing pushing us the last couple of days, and that's what we need. Let's go to the 8-hour. 8 hour is my favorite time frame. If you are in here for the first time, guys, and you haven't followed me, please do. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. You can only follow me from this live, guys. Someone just got scammed by one of my copycats yesterday. I have about 600 of them. If you do not follow me from the live, they will come into your DMs and try to scam you. It is more a safety thing, not a follower count thing. Please do follow me from the live if you find this content valuable. I appreciate you. Grizzly, thank you. Bullish has been listening to the handlers' work conversations. There we go, always, right? Here we go, we're pushing up, guys. Are we pushing up in a good way? Yes, we are. Yes, we are right now. Thank you for the follows. I appreciate you. Right? What we're looking at is this bull flag. This bull flag pops out, guys. Where's the target of this bull flag? We watch the levels, not the targets in here. Why? The levels don't make, the targets don't make any sense unless we get up and over resistance. And if we have a resistance between the entry point and the target, It doesn't matter if we don't get up and over it. Okay, so right now, here's your levels, guys. We need to get up and over 77, 977. That is a huge level. We get up and over that, right? Let me link this out for a second. We are in the middle of the breakout of this bull flag right here. Here's a pole. Here's a flag. We are breaking out here, guys. We have broken out. We have broken out. Target is up here at $80,000. What the heck, B-Dogs? Nice to see you. Let's go. Letters in bloom. Do you think it is going up? It looks like it right now. But look at, we are getting overheated, guys. But what has been happening? Thank you. What has been happening the past couple of days? 80K is a huge level. Yes, it is, Frankie. Listen. What has been happening in the last couple of days, guys? What has been happening is this. We have looked like we were overheated. Then the lower time frames take over. They reset on the Stokes and the RSI, and they've been holding us up on the higher time frames. We need that to do that now, right? We are oversold. Right, we are getting heavy on the Stokes, guys. Yes, ma'am. XRP looks stuck. We're gonna take a look at XRP, guys. The reason why some of the alts look stuck is that the BTC dominance has not dropped enough yet. Will it? Yeah, I do believe it will. We're gonna go to the BTC dominance. I'm gonna show you that in just a few minutes, guys. Let me just hold on one second. I forgot to turn my focus off on my phone, so I'm gonna get text all through here if I don't do this. So hold on. Here we go. Let's see. Here we go. Little Cisco for you. Here we go. Right, guys? If we don't get up and over here, 77, 977 or 78K, guys, right? Too much res. I don't know what that means. Zero. Probably. I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. Here we go. 77, 977. We need to get up and over there. Here's your levels, guys. Second level is this diagonal trend line that has gone back quite a ways at 388. You know this is going to dump right to minimum 59K. Again, there's a huge order gap between 49. Jesus, let me tell you something. If you haven't been in here before, I am midterm bearish. I see 37K. So I'm actually below you. So yes, do I think we could pop back, dump back down there? For sure. Resistance. Yeah, too much resistance. Yeah, guys, we have a lot of resistance, but we are making our way up in a good way right now. What we need to see, I'm super short, been since 124. Jesus, listen, you're talking to a bear here. They all know it in the crowd, right? They all know it in the crowd. I think we could get up to the top of the channel. 37K. Yeah, Frankie, I'll show you why. Here we go. We're just going to backtrack for just a second because I know there's some new people in here. Guys, if you haven't followed me and you are new and you like this content, please, please, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get copycats and they will try to scam you in your DMs. Here we go, guys. This is why I see 37K. We've got a bear flag on the daily. Here's the poll. We are in the flag right now, right? If we break this down, here we go. We break this down. Oh, sorry. What am I doing here? And why are my numbers off? My numbers are off for some reason. I don't know why. Hold on one second. That is very weird. Yeah, guys, here it is. I don't know why my numbers are off on that chart. That's bizarre. Here we go. I see you. There we go, guys. Here we go. This is why I see a possibility of 37K, right? It's right here. Here's the poll. We are in the flag right now. Guys, this is another chart, so give me a little bit of a break here. You break this down, guys, right? Here we go. 36,145. Okay? 36,145. Mr. Hydration reporting. Marcus, where were you the last couple of weeks? I feel like I haven't seen you forever, and I needed my water boy in here, right? This is why I see this, guys. Look at, we bear flag down. Guess what? This bear flag right now, right here, went directly to the target and formed another bear flag. Until we get up and over that bear flag, it is not invalidated. I see the top of the channel first, though. If we want to, we are bouncing off the bottom of the channel, which is that bear flag. We bounce off of that. Guess what, guys? We want to go to the top of the channel, right? Here we go. Let me just pull this up. I don't know why my chart is off like this. It is very bizarre. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels. Let me go to the 8 hour. I just got, yeah, Ardeen spelunking. There we go. There we go. 90K, 30, 40K drawdown. Yeah, Jesus, I agree, right? But if we get up and over 89 and then up and over, wait, so what level invalidates 37K? 89 for me, Frankie, right? Here we go. We're going to go to the 8 hour. I'll show you, right? Guys, this is the bear flag that we are talking about right here, right? What I'm looking at is this. Right? We need to get up and over this flag. We don't get up and over this flag right here. And to be honest, right now it's 86,573. However, for me to actually think that this is an actual move and we're not faking out of the channel just to turn around and come back down, we need to get up and over 89,402 and actually hold it. Shauna, thank you. We need to get up and over 89,402 and actually hold it. We don't do that. This is a fake out to the upside. We're going to bop right back down into this channel and we are going to go down to the bottom and fall out of it. Right? So that's what I'm looking at right now. Well, then let's go 89. There we go, Frankie. There we go. Here we go, guys. Let's go down to the 4-hour, 8-hour. Why do I use the 8-hour, guys? If you are brand new in here, the reason why I use the 8-hour is that it is in between two time frames that higher time frame traders hold and wait heavily. The 4-hour and the CVS channel. There we go, James Brown. CVS, those are my initials, right? Those are my initials. Guys, if we cannot get up and over this level at 78,707, we're going to roll back down, right? We are getting hot on the Stokes of the 8-hour. The 8-hour is in between the 4-hour and the 1 day. Higher time frame traders look at, if you get a cross section in between those, you can get a very, very clear view of what is going on in the chart. I use the 8-hour, my favorite time frame. It has shown us a lot of the moves these last couple of months. Follow me for, oh, no. They keep us in the bear ceiling, I think, till August. Marcus, possibly. I'm so glad you're here. MVP is in the house. Nice to see you. Thank you so much. Iran war ending soon. Ukraine war will be followed shortly after, and then there will be peace in the world, hopefully. There we go, right? Here we go, guys. 8 hours looking hot on the Stokes. However, RSI is not exactly turning over. This is telling me that we want to hold here. 77,687. Guys, we are either going to pull through the 77,977 or we're going to get a rejection there. We get a rejection. We could come back down to retest any one of these support levels that were resistant on the way up, right? And that wouldn't be a bad thing. It would be a healthy thing. Okay, so if we want to come up here and retest these on the lower time frames, more power to them, right? User, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Julia, we're all set. Move on. There we go, the edge. Let me just take a sip of tea, guys. Guys, thank you so much for the new follows. I appreciate you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being in here. Thank you so much to my mods. They are fire. I appreciate you guys. Rude Boy Assistant, Money Talk, the Eric Watson, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto. Thank you so much for being my mods in here. ETH did really well today. Marin, yeah, we'll take a look at ETH. Colby, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We are rolling over on the 4-hour a little bit, but look at the RSI. Guys, the RSI is telling us it wants to hold us. That is what it's telling us right now. However, I will say this, right? Could this be a little bit of a rising wedge here? Yeah, it could be. It is right here, guys. We drop this rising wedge to the downside. If this does not want to hold, this is where we're going. I always give you the bullish and the bearish case. Why, guys? Because I don't know exactly where we're going. No one does. And the charts change as they will. JB Monty, thank you. C, thank you. Right? The charts change as they will. I have no control over the charts. We look at them objectively. And if you don't do that, you aren't able to pivot and adapt like you should. Here we go, guys. Here's a rising wedge that I'm looking at right now. We have to be very, very careful, right? If this does break down, where will this break down to? You measure a rising wedge from the top of the mouth of the rising wedge to the bottom. You drag this to the supposed breakout, which, by the way, would be somewhere along here, guys. Look at that confluence. Good morning, JB. Hey, Mike. Guys, look at that confluence. When you have a pattern bringing you right down to an exact trend line, very, very likely it is telling you it is a possibility. Hundreds Club, thank you so much. Here we go, guys. If we do drop this down, here is the bullish and the bearish case. Bullish case, we hold on to this level at 77,482, and we move up. Hey, baby. What's up? I don't know. You got to ask Daddy. Hold on 1 second, okay? Or go ask Daddy, okay? Sorry, guys. Sorry. All right. Here we go. We hold this level right here at 77,509. Right? Where are we headed to? We're headed here for 77,892 and then here at 78,015. Guys, if you want to see alts, drop them in the chat. Right? Please, if you could, talk in the chat. Tap the screen, share out the live. Those things really, really help the algorithm. Thank you guys for doing those things. I appreciate you. If we don't get up and over here at 77,988 or 77,977, mom duties never stop. No, they don't, right? No, they don't. Guys, We dropped this level right here at 77,482, where we headed to. Next level of support is right here, right under us at 77,345. It wouldn't be bad if we came and retested one of these levels. When I do gold, I do better than any of these people offer the signals. There we go. Fam, priority first, always. You got it, Marcus. You got it. 77,345, guys. We dropped that level. We are dropping this rising wedge, right? We dropped this rising wedge. We're heading straight to 76,469. Why? Because there's not much support in between that level and this level, right? Rising wedge is telling us it wants to come back and maybe retest one of these levels here. Let's go to the lower time frames, guys. We're going to work our way through the 1 hour, the 15 minute, the 7 and the 5. Okay, and then we'll get to some alts. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this, guys. What is happening? Here we go. We are pushing, right? What do we say about the RSI on the higher time frames? RSI on the higher time frames still look like they are pushing up. Mr. Slippers, nice to see you. BB, I loved your last video in your car. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm trying to do some fun ones now, right? Irish Boxer is in the house. He is one of my OGs. Thank you for being here. Guys, RSI is pushing on the higher time frames. What does that mean? It means, hey, listen, we've got, sorry, my mic isn't screwed in. Hold on a second. Let's push it. Blake says, guys, the RSI is pushing on the higher time frames. What does that mean, right? And then we've got the lower time frames. Right now, the 1 hour, which is my favorite time frame to enter a trade. Why? Because the 1 hour respects the moving averages like no other time frame out there. So you can get in a trade when the 1 hour candle opens decisively above the 1 hour SMA and smooth moving average, guys. It opens there. You can put your stop loss below those moving averages and hopefully below a support and ride it up. Same thing on the downside hydration time. Thank you. Love me the hour. Me too, Blake. Me too. Right? Here we go. We are rolling. We're pumping up on the 1 hour, right? Push it real good. We're pumping up on the 1 hour. We are aggressively turned up on the 1 hour on the Stokes. We are aggressively turned up on the RSI, guys. RSI 6, which is my orange line, is pushing through the 12 and 24 to the upside. That is a very good thing. And look at us holding here. Now, we have to push here, guys. We can't just hold here forever. Right? We are holding here. We can't just hold here forever. What we need to do, are my charts frozen? No, they aren't. Okay, there we go. What we need to do is we need to push here. Oh, look at us opening that green candle. What do we have to get up and over? Johan, I see you. We need to get up and over the top of this falling wedge to invalidate it, guys. We need to get up and over 77,807 to invalidate the falling wedge, the rising wedge. We get up over there. We need to get up and over 77,977. Hourly's looking good. We do have a little bit of slumpage on the Stokes, guys. I don't really like this. Right? Here we go. Whenever I see a cloud around the Stokes, see my red line? Stochastics. This is a Stochastics RSMFI. Whenever you see a cloud around the Stokes and it is curving to the downside, that is showing a little bit of weakness. What we need is the lower time frames to actually be resetting and push us up. Let's see if they're doing that right now. This is the 1 hour, guys, right? Let's go to the 30 minute. Let's see what the 30 minutes trying to roll on us as well. Right? 30 minutes trying to roll on us as well. Look at the Stokes at the top of the channel. RSI is flattening out and looking like it could go either way. It is sitting in the middle, right? What we need to do is we need to push out of this little bull flag that I see on the lower time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Scott Davis is in the house. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. These bull flags, what are they doing? They are pushing out before they even make a full bull flag. Right? That is a bullish thing to me. Here we go. We are looking like we're rolling over even on the 15. Here is a bull flag right here. This pushed out. I bet it hit the target. Oh, look at that target. No, it didn't. Guys, watch out here. And the reason why I'm saying watch out here is this, right? Which prop do you use? I don't use any prop firms at all right now. I'm thinking about it, but I don't use any right now. I've had a couple approach me. I don't know why this is loose. Hold on a second, guys. I've had a couple approach me. However, I don't use any right now. I trade my own capital, right? I do use Bitunix, which is my primary exchange. If you guys want to join Bitunix and you're a leverage trader and you'd like to use my code BullishBabe, go to bitunix.com, put in my code BullishBabe in the invitation code, and you'll get a 20% bonus on deposit for anything over $100. Guys, that's a huge bonus, right? So if you do want to trade crypto, gold and silver, and crude on leverage, you can go to bitunix.com. I've traded there for about 2.5 years. They are great exchange. We have our own personal rep. Here we go, guys. Watch out here. And why I'm saying watch out is this. We have the Stokes rolling on the 15, the 30, and the 1 hour. And look at what's happening. We know that we are in a rising wedge. I just mapped it out for you. It is right here. Now, this is the bull flag top. This is the rising wedge that we are in right now. See it? Here's the top trend line. Here's the bottom trend line of the rising wedge, guys. This little bull flag that I just mapped out is actually going directly to the top of the rising wedge. Does it work in Toronto? I believe so, Jesse. Yeah, it's bitunix.com. And it's BullishBabe is the invitation code. And I believe it does work in Toronto. Okay? Guys, we get up here, right? This is going to be our problem child. Yeah, we'll do a hyperliquid for sure. This is going to be our problem child. Why is it going to be our problem child? Because we do see that we're overheated on the Stokes on the 1 hour, the 30, and the 15. And now this bull flag that we just mapped out is going directly to the top of the pattern. What happens when we go directly to the top of the pattern, guys? Whenever a bullish pattern on a lower time frame leads you to the exact trend line of a higher time frame pattern, what it is telling you is we may stop there. What we have to do is go to the lower time frame. So here is our target right here at 77,853. We don't get up and over that. We are coming to the bottom of the, oh, guys, I love this confluence. Good morning, 501. Nice to see you. Guys, if you could share out the live, that would be awesome. Just press that repost button or share it to your story. That's actually the easiest way to do it. That way, everyone that sees your story will come to the live. Thank you so much for being in here. I appreciate you guys. Now, guys, look at this confluence. This is what I want to show you. This is how the story goes. When bull, I don't know, Ben. Nice to see you. Oh, Denny, I don't know yet, right? Here we go, guys. This is what the story is telling us. The story is telling us you always have to assume the next pattern. Story is telling us this bull flag right here. Here's the pull. Here's the flag. Leads us directly. Our target is 77,858. Now, guys, if we get up here and we cannot get up and over, where are we going? We're going to the bottom of the pattern, and look at what the bottom of the pattern is. I love this so much. It brings us to a star point. What is a star point? It is when multiple diagonal and horizontal lines cross together. And what does that do? It adds strength, guys. It adds strength. So look at this storyline. We come up here, we hit our head against the top of this rising wedge, and we come back down to the bottom of the pattern. Guys, it doesn't get any more confluent than this. If we come back down to the bottom of the pattern, we're coming down to 77,499, which is a star point. A very strong resistance on the way up and very strong support on the way down. So even if we come down here at 77,499, my assumption is that we will bounce off of here and have a reaction off of the star point. And why is that? Because when you get a star point, it is going to be strong support on the way down. We know we're in a bullish. The bottom aligns with the 75K max pain. Oh, there we go. Oh, money talk. There we go. Guys, she's telling you the max pain is 75K on Friday, right? We got to watch out for that. Here we go. Is that on Friday? That's on Friday, right, money? Right? Here we go, guys. We come down here. Here's the story. 77,488. We bounce off of there. Where are we going? To the top of the pattern again. Price respects a pattern until it doesn't, until it drops out or up, guys. And now we have bullish patterns inside of a bearish pattern, right? What are we doing here? We try to figure out which one is more prevalent. Yes, Friday, about 10 billion in options. Money Talk, you're such a G. Thank you so much for being in here. Guys, if you don't follow her, give her a follow. Right? S&P 500 blasted to record 75.34 today, and oil dropping. Let's go, Solom. Guys, I see strength in this. Why? The RSI is pushing, right? I think we're going to pop out of this at this time. That could always change. Let's check the 12-minute, which is Skyman's favorite time frame, guys. Oh, we got another bull flag forming here. So we know that little bull flag brings us up to the top, but guess what we have here forming? Here's another bull flag, guys. Here is the pull. Here's the flag on the 12-minute. This is going to bring us up and out. There we go. All right, guys, we don't knock our heads against this level. Here's the levels to watch. These are the levels I want you to scream out in the chat if we get to them while I'm doing the alts, right? First level to the upside, 77,852, right? We bang our head against that, we're coming down to the bottom of the rising wedge, down here, right? If we don't, we're coming up to this next level of resistance at 77,981. Guys, that's my big level. TF, what bull flag? GK, you're obviously new here. Nice to see you. I'm glad you're in here, right? There's a tiny little bull flag. It's right here, and actually it's breaking out right now. It's going to pop right in our face, right? Here we go. Here we go. Here's the pole. Here's the flag right here. Guys, this pops out. It's either coming to the top of that rising wedge at 77,846. We're going to hit our head against it and pop back down to the bottom of the rising wedge, or we are going to make our way to the full target of this little tiny bull flag on the 12-minute, right? 77,956. Anthony Hawkins, good morning. GK, you do you. I'll do me. To me, it's a bull flag. We'll see if it pops out. Right? Nice to see you, Bullish Babe. I bought Sui at 0.8. Should I still hold? Kevin, I can't tell you that. What I can tell you is I like Sui. I've been in for a long time and I'm still holding. Right? Reggie, good morning. Florida girl, Bitcoin is open 24/7. It's always open 24/7, user. Nice to see you. Let's see if this pops out, guys. Here's your levels. We get up and over 77,837. I want to know in the chat. Yell at me like I'm yelling at you. Next level is up here, right? 77,943. Memorial Day is important, guys. Yes, it is. Right? Next level is 77,943. And then our final level until we can make a little bit of a freer run, right? This is all resistance, guys. We need to made 5K today. There we go, trader. We need to get up and over this level, guys. We get up and over 77,977. I want real yelling in the crowd, right? I want real yelling in the crowd. There are your levels to the upside. It won't GKD. It takes a lot less energy to be a lover than a hater, I will say, right? Lot less energy, right? There we go. We're breaking up in that bull flag right now. Look at that GKD, right? Right to the top of the rising wedge. Right to the top of the rising wedge. Not a bull flag. Interesting, right? There we go. It's probably going to break up to the target, actually, because it's pumping through right now. Let's see. Let's go to the 7-minute. The markets don't even open today. They don't, right? They don't. But crypto's open 24/7. Look at this pumping out, guys, right? Would you be looking at the daily or weekly? I prefer those. So I always start off on the daily. You just came in late today, user. There we go, Fatima. What was your target again? Oh, my target again was right here at 77,975. Not when you don't know you're talking about GKD. You get 3 strikes, dude. That's it. And the bull flag is pumping right in your face right now. So, hate to say it, right? There we go. That's good. New York can't dump it. Exactly, Cyber Doji. We like these days. Do you want to collaborate? Greed Kills, you got to send me a message. I don't usually collaborate. I usually do my own. I have another show with another guy on Cosmic Crypto who is, by the way, has been right? Has been right. We're going to give him his props when it's due. And he has been right so far. So I will say he's my ultimate partner in the Cosmically Bullish Show. We do that show every day at every Thursday at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. He's not in here right now, but if you guys can follow him online, please do. I'm in a long, been in it for 2 days. Shauna, let's go. Right? How's Solana looking? We'll take a look at Solana. We are pumping up in this bear flag, guys. We get up and over this level at 77,839. Very, very likely we're going to come to the target at 77,978. And Cosmic's got receipts. Yeah, he likes those receipts, right? Here we go, guys. RSI is pushing out. I'm on the 7-minute. Why do I use the 7-minute? 7-minute. In between 2 time frames that lower time frame traders use and wait heavily, the 5-minute and the 15. When you get a cross section in between those, you can see very clearly 7-minute, 8-hour time frame. My favorite time frames. Another Bullish Babe followed me just now. Guys, if you are in here for the first time and you haven't followed me, please do. Otherwise, you will get copycats. I have about 600. The second you get off of this live, they will follow you into your DMs and try to scam you. So please follow me. This is my only account. Follow me directly from the live. I will not DM you first. I will not ask you for any money, and you cannot sign up for my classes or my group through DMs, okay? So please do not do that through a DM, okay? Here we go. See, thank you for the roses, guys. Here we go. We pumped up, right? But we couldn't get up and above that, the top of that rising wedge, guys. Where are we coming? If we cannot pump up and above this, hold this as support and come to this level, where are we going? J Heat is in the house. We are so back. I'm back. I love when they say, how's your crypto doing? Me too, Joe. Right? Do you copy trade? No, I don't, Alan. I'm sorry. I don't. At this point, I don't really believe in copy trading. At some point, if I have a strong group, I may allow that, but I don't do that. One of you is enough, says P-Dogs. Yeah, it is. Derek is in the house. Good morning, Patrick Swizzle. Yo, nice to see you. Derek, you must be very happy today. The Derek is in the house. Everyone say hi to the Derek. He is our ultimate bullish hopium guy. Please say hello to him, right? Here we go, guys. We can't get through this level. We're coming down here. 77,492 first, and then to this diagonal trend line. This is a rising wedge, right? 7 minutes. We are getting overheated on the Stokes. However, if the RSI can hold us on the lower time frames, what have we been talking? Oh, for sure, says the Derek. Hi. Yes. Oh my God. There we go. Right? Let's check the 5 and the 3, guys, and then we'll pump out of here. We're guys, and I'm gonna give you the levels. Here we go. We get up and above 77,977 yelling in the chat. Below this level, 77,486 yelling in the chat. That way we can go back and check Bitcoin. All right, well, we're doing the alts. I'm going to do Bitcoin dominance first. We're going to take a look at that. We'll take a look at the DXY. How can it be a bull flag if it's rejected? GKD. Are you a charter? I'm thinking maybe you're not, right? It can be any pattern if it rejects, as long as there's a resistance level in between the entry of the pattern and the target. There's a resistance in there. It can reject at any time, right? I'm not going to spend any more time going back and forth, but I hope you stay in here and maybe learn something a different way, right? Because I do teach a different way, but I still hit targets, right? Yes, TA analysis, there's not enough edge here. Way too low time frame. GKD, I start off on the daily, honey. Come here early. All right, here we go. We are rejecting from that level, right? And why did we say that we were probably going to do that? Right? Because that first target was leading us directly up to the top. Killing the vibe, bro. There we go. Right? Guys, where are we headed to? More than likely, we're headed down here. We're rolling over on the Stokes and the RSI. RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Guys, we do not where we are headed. Thank goodness I'm not a mod. Lady long term, you want to be one? I'll make you one. I'll make you one right now. You want to be one? I'll make you one right now. Actually, I don't know how to make. Oh, yeah, I do. Here we go. Boom. You're a mod. There we go. You're a mod now. There we go. All right. Here we go, guys. There's so many different ways to chart. Some will understand, some don't. Yeah, guys, my charts are messy, right? I've got major ADHD, so I'm all over the place. But that does allow you guys to see multiple patterns like I see them, right? That's what I do best. Do I do a lot of things great? No, probably not, right? Jay Heat, thank you for the heartbeat, guys. Give him a follow. He is the head of Web3 Hub, which I am also a founder in. It is a totally free crypto website where you can learn about crypto and Web3. You want to go there? Follow him. Click the link in his bio. Hello. Hi, bullish, bearish, babe. Hey, Joanne. I like a messy, says the real hope. 3 strikes. I keep scoring. Let's go. Guys, look at this. Trying to hold this. Right? We are rolling over on the Stokes and the RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 4. I think there might be a little cool off here. However, look at how we wicked right down to the smooth moving average. Is this going to hold us up? We're going to go to the 3 minute. We're going to see if the 3 minutes going to hold us up, guys. We are curving a little bit here. What about the 1 minute? What about the 1 minute? If the 1 minute can't hold us up, happy Memorial Day. Crude dropped out so nicely. Who is in the house? The Pharaoh's in the house. And guess what, guys? She did her first post the other day. Please, everyone, go and follow Pharaoh Candle of the Vic. She is in here pretty much, I will say, every morning. She is in here every morning with me. I am trying to get her to come up and actually talk maybe at least a couple days a week and give us a VIX update. I'm hoping she will. She just made her first post. Guys, go and follow her. Repost her stuff. Let's get the good people in this space moving, right? There are a lot of good creators in here. Farrell is brilliant. Right? And she has so much information and she helps us out every single day. Jessica Pennington, Mama B thing is in the house. Happy Memorial Day. Nice to see you. Go Farrell. Guys, we love the good people in this space. Farrell is one of them, right? I'm hoping she'll come up here with me and we can do a duel for a little bit. I'm going to talk to her about it this week. So we work well together. I look at crypto in general. She looks at the VIX. Crude. She looks at a lot of things, guys, and together we can find out where the markets are going. And together with Blake, ARC, Skyman, Bagman, thank you guys so much for being part of this team. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. We are popping our way up here. Look at this. Right now we are curving on the Stokes on the 1 minute RSI. RSI 6. RSI 6 is popping through. The 12 and the 24. What do you see, Blake? There we go. Right? Love to help. Rachel, nice to see you anytime. Right? Here we go, guys. BTC, you are so cool. Thank you for saying all that. I wouldn't have the courage without good friends. You're amazing. Right? I appreciate you. Guys, she has taught me so much about this market. B-Rose is in the house. Another great creator, guys. We've got B-Rose, Money Talk, Caveman Fantasy, Feral Candles of the VIX. Guys, we're all here today on Memorial Day. Nice to see you. Eric Watson is in the house. Good morning. Happy Memorial Day. Nice to see you. 80K incoming. Let's go. All right, guys, you know the levels to shout out. Let's go to BTC Dominance. Let's see what it's doing. Guys, here is what I see on BTC Dominance. Let's go to the daily. Why are we going to the daily? Because we need to see what this thing is dropping out of. And is it dropping out? Who sees a head and shoulders here, guys? Right? Now, here we go. There's a head and shoulders on a lower time frame. However, I see a bigger one. Right? Where is the bigger one? It is right here. We're going to go to the 8 hour. Please send a heart me. Get notifications when BB goes live. Guys, if you send a heart me, you will get notifications when I go live every single day. We're going to do XRP. I promise. Blake, where's the hands? I know you see it, right? I know you see it. We're actually going to put it back because it's on a lower time frame. Here we go. Let's go to the 8 hour. Let's see what's going on the 8 hour, guys. Look at this, guys. Here we go. Sniper Investments. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. The daily. Thank you, Jackie. I appreciate you. 70K next target, possibly active energy, right? Bro, what head and shoulders? Dude, I'll show you in just a second, GKD. I love that you're staying in here, though, because I think that you will like me if you stay in here long enough. Right? USDT, Dom. Yeah, we can take a look at that too. Right? Guys, look at the daily rolling over on the Stokes. Daily is rolling over on the Stokes. Thank you, Shauna. Show BB some love. Tapping is free. Guys, tapping is free. Right? We are rolling over on the Stokes. We are also rolling, turned over aggressively on the RSI. And not only that, I sound like a game show host sometimes when I say that. Guys, what do we see here? We not only see a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, but we also see a bear flag right here, guys. This is doing exactly what we thought it would. Here it is. It's on a lower time frame. I'm going to go down so that people can see it because I know people are hesitant to believe me at this point, right? Next 250K, possibly. Not right now, I don't think. Here we go. Guys, what are we seeing here? Here it is. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. Where does that bring us to, guys? You can see it. It is in plain sight. SM Johan, Sniper Investments. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I appreciate you. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, I'm here with my crew and my community. If you are brand new here, that's pretty clean math right there, says Phil. There we go. You were writing 100. You won both showcases. There we go, Hailfire. Guys, I'm here every day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a chick who loves the crypto charts. I love to show you guys what I can see in the patterns. Am I always right? No. You got to give me grace when I'm not because I'm human. And no one in here knows exactly where we are going. If you haven't followed me, please do follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. They will try to scam you in your DMs. I have about 600 copycats, right? This is the only real me right here. You got to click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get those, right? Here we go, guys. We have a shoulder. Here we go. 8 hour. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. How do we measure a head and shoulders, guys? From the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. Prove it, says Blake. I'm going to prove it. Here we go. Top of the head, bottom of the trend line. What do we do here, guys? Look at that confluence, guys. Look at that confluence. Almost a bearish diamond. Yeah, I can see that. CA Carpenter, nice to see you. Good day, Chelsea. Been missing you, Tamara. I'm so glad to be back. Nice to see you. Manny, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Thank you so much for tapping the screen, sharing the live out, chatting in the chat. All those things really help, right? Guys, head and shoulders breaks down. You measure head and shoulders. I'm going to take this off because that's another measurement. Here we go. Charts are messy, right? Top of the head, bottom of the trend line. Farrell says there is that math I was talking about. Guys, she's telling you that math matches up with what she's looking at too, right? I don't use a lot of things that a lot of traders use. I use very simple indicators. I use a lot of patterns, but my patterns, as you can see when you're in the live, usually line up with the levels that Skyman, Bagman, Farrell, ARC, Blake, all have, guys. That is confluence. We are, like Feral Candles calls it in here, we are a hive mind. We have a bunch of traders working in here together, right? Here we go, guys. This head and shoulders brings us all the way down to this exact point, which is a major, major resistance turned into support, right? 60.04. Guys, we start coming down there, and guys, look at what has happened. We just bearishly retested this line right here. We just bearishly retested this line. What's up, honey? Weapons. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Mom duties, right? What have we done? We have bearishly retested this level right here, guys. And we've built a bear flag in the process, right? The classic go ask mom. Exactly. I see that hooking too. If crude continues to fall, it is in the cards. Here we go, right? Here we go, guys. What have we also built here? It is a bear flag. It is a wonky one, right? Looked like it tried to hook out, but what did we do? We came up here. We bearishly retested. If this bull flag, there is a bull flag building here, guys. I will say that, right? Here's a bear flag. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We drag this down, and this starts to break out. Where will we head to? 60.24. However, I'm going to bring this back for a second. However, there is a bull flag in here. You guys know I give you the bullish and the bearish case. Why? Because I don't know exactly where we're going. Tambra, Johan, thank you. Right? All I can tell you is what the patterns are, even if they are conflicting. I need to tell you that so that you know when we get off of this live where we are headed. And right now, there are two directions this could take. One is that we are bearishly retesting that level, and we're going to drop down to the level that I just talked about at 60.04. Dream to Actions in the house. He's a mod. Thank you. Yeah, just nice to see you. Do you trade full time? Yes, I do. I do, but I'm also a content creator, right? I do not trade live on lives. Why? Because if I am live and there's a brand new trader, they will copy my trades. I don't know if I will say I will never trade online, but as of right now, no. Right? There's too many new people in the space. I don't want to get people wrecked. And they're not looking at their charts as much as I am. So it's not fair. Right? Bitunix. Yeah, guys, Bitunix is my main exchange. You want to join it? Go to bitunix.com. You can use Bullish Babe in the invitation code. That'll give you a 20% bonus on deposit for anything over $100. Thank you, Eric Watson. He's a G. Here we go, guys. We do have a bull flag happening here. Right? Here's the pole. Here's the flag. This bull flag happens to pop out, and this pops us up and above this line. That means we may have some time to wait before the Bitcoin dominance actually drops. All right? So the two levels here, guys. First level, to the upside, 60.73. We get up and over that level. We need to get up and over this, 60.77, and then to here at the target at 60.91. We get up and over there, guys. We may have a run on Bitcoin dominance. We don't necessarily want that, right? USDT, Dom, and a bear flag. Yeah, or guys, the other scenario is that we dump this head and shoulders to the downside. We dump this head and shoulders to the downside, which we have already done. We have already done it, and unless we get back up and over that resistance, we are already coming down. Just put the disclaimer before you do your live trade with US. That's very simple. Yeah, ARC, to be honest, it's not really necessary to trade online. ASL, nice to see you. Guys, it's not really necessary for me to live trade online. You guys can see where my targets are, and I usually say, like, I'm in this trade or I've entered this trade. And you can see where those targets hit, right? So there is no one that knows how to chart and knows how the market moves and wouldn't be trading, right? I want to do a live with you for fun. ARC, maybe we can do that sometime, right? Maybe we can do that sometime. Yeah, it's not really necessary to trade. You guys can see the charts. If my targets line up and if they hit, then more than likely I'm playing one of those trades, right? And in my group, I will live trade eventually. So if you want to join that group, first link and the link in my bio. It is a great school, guys. We learn a lot in there. I teach a class in there every single day. I'm doing it today, right? I don't usually have a Saturday stream. I do my Saturday streams in my school. Link in my bio. That's my link tree. Click on Skool. It's 7 days free to try it right now. Come and join us, guys. We have a great time in there. Again, it is not a signals group. It is a school. I teach in there every single day. Okay. Here we go. We are bearishly retesting this, guys. If we do that, 60.04. We are rolling over on the Stokes and on the RSI, guys, on the 8-hour. This is looking good. We are rolling over on the Stokes and the RSI, guys. RSI 6 is looking to push through the 12 and the 24, right? The 12 and the 24 to the downside, right? 8 hours looking down. Let's check the 4-hour. Oh, look at this, guys. Are we going to get an altcoin run today? We're going to check out some of the alts. What time is it? All right, guys, I have a half hour. So I have a half hour. We're gonna rush through the charts. Would you mind pulling up Ape for a moment and sharing your thoughts? Yeah, Colby, I'll put Ape on here. We're going to run through these. This would be a great day to start your trial in Skool. She's feeling it today. Yeah, guys, it would. All we do in there is we break down the charts. We go over more alts in there. I teach you how to do, I answer questions. It's a question and answer session. You can unmic. You can actually talk to me. So why are you yelling at me? TGF. I'm always yelling because I'm excited about the charts and I'm excited about where we are today. We're rolling over on the Bitcoin dominance, guys. That is a good thing. Let me check USDT dominance and then we are going to speed through these alts. And when I say speed, I mean speed, right? I mean speed. Keep yelling, says Blake. There we go. USDT. Here we go. Here we go. Let's take a look at USDT. Here we go. Oh, look at USDT dominance. Let's go up to the 8-hour. Crude bear flag on support, snacking up a buying block. Critical level to watch, says Sparrow Candles. There we go. There we go, guys. Here we go. Little Jessica Simpson for you. Going back in time a little bit. Here we go. Blake, I see what you're seeing. You seeing this? Is this what you're seeing? I think so. It's a wonky head and shoulders, guys, right? Here it is. Shoulder, head. Oh, shoulder. We just broke down from it. We love it when she yells at us. Now, if she would just use our full names, Christopher, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. RGB 11, Dream to Action. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Here we go. Right? How do we measure head and shoulders? Blake, you are absolutely right. If it rejects, we move bear. If it falls 3, we move bully bull, says Farrell. There we go. There we go. Christopher, I know your full name. Right? Here we go. Top of the head. Blake, look at this wonky head and shoulders. Shoulder, do you guys see it? Head. Doesn't matter if it is wonky or a slanted pattern. They break out the same exact way 85 to 90% of the time, guys. You will see it happen in here more often than not. Otherwise, I wouldn't still be saying it, right? When both Dom fails, it's a happy time for me. Me too, Blake. You measure from the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. Drag this out to the supposed breakout. But guess what? Not supposed anymore. We already broke down, guys. We already broke down. Where are we headed on USDT dominance? 7.158%. There we go, Blake. Let's go. Right, 4 hours. Oh, look at the 4-hour on the drip on the RSI, guys. I call this a drip. Right, when the 4-hour RSI is gapped and dripping down to the downside, what does that mean? It means that we have some time for a move to the other direction, which tells us that we have some time to actually come down and break this move down. Let's take a look at the 1 hour and see what the 1 hour is doing. Then I'm going to go to XRP. Oh, all right. We're coming down. Guys, they're split. Stokes and RSI are split. But guess what that tells us, right? When BTC was showing us that the Stokes and the RSI was split, what was taking over? The RSI. Could the Stokes be taking over here? Trap, says Farrell. You got it. You got it. This looks like it's going to pop up. Farrell, you got it. This looks like it's going to pop up to, again, bearishly retest this level and then roll over, guys. That's what I'm looking at right now. Okay, let's go to XRP. Here we go, guys. We're going to roll through these. Let's go to XRP. Never mind. I see it. There we go. Perfect. Guys, thank you so much for sharing the live out. Thank you for tapping your screen. Thank you for chatting. Guys, the more you chat in the live, I don't even care if it's crypto. The more you chat in the live, the better that this gets pushed out. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Guys, you are my community and my I don't even know what I was going to say. You are my community. Thank you so much for being in here. Thank you so much for pushing me out as far as you have, guys. I'm not here without you. I appreciate you guys. Coming for your subs. Randomize the numbers. Guys, you hear her? Bullish or bearish right now on BTC? You're great. Ma, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Guys, if you could give me a follow. If you have not followed me, click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. I have about 600 copycats, right? They will try to scam you in your DMs. This is my only account. Please follow me directly from the live. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at XRP. Yeah, we'll take a look at Skool. All right, guys. I'm going to take a look at XRP, then I'm going to take a quick look at Mezzo, Blake, right? Because I can't do both of them today. Chat. There we go. You are my only wanted to say what crypto family. That's what I wanted to say. There it is, ARC. You got it, right? You got it. Let's go to XRP. Here we go. Let's go to XRP. I don't have my chart up with XRP because why would I be organized, guys? I'm never organized, right? If you know me, I'm never organized. I can barely find my, thanks, babe. I can barely find my charts half the time, right? Here we go, XRP. I think it's up here. Where are we? I can't even find my charts. Here we go. All right, guys. I know that I have XRP in here somewhere. There we go. We'll find it this way. We'll find it this way, guys. Right? Because I know I have like 15 XRP charts on here. There's no reason why there's only 2. Right? There's no reason why there's only 2. Here we go. Look at all those XRP charts. This is so embarrassing to show this. Being organized, meaning you have too much free. Oh, yeah, exactly. I have no time for organization. Right? No time for organization. Let's go to XRP, guys. We're going to find the right chart. Exactly. We're going to find the right chart. The one that has my lines on it. We're just going to roll through here until we stumble upon it. Right? Until we stumble upon it. Here we go. Let's go to the daily so that I can see. Here we go. All right, guys. I will clean up my charts this week. I promise. All right. Here it is. Here it is. Got it. Here it is. 168 people watching me try to find my XRP chart. Nothing like that, right? EdgeX. Yeah, I'll do EdgeX. Yeah. We'll do EdgeX. All right, here we go. Soul fell out of the channel and now trying to get back in just on the outside now. Resistance. Uh-oh. We'll take a look at that, right? Guys, we're going to do a second red tag. Oh, second red tag. Thank you. I know I need to do that, right? I know, Eric Watson, ERG. Thank you so much. Here we go, guys. This is what I'm looking at. XRP on the daily. We fell out of a diamond pattern, right? This is the diamond right here. It was respecting it. It broke in from the top. It faked down to the bottom. Diamonds fake out a lot of the time. Bullish Babe Nation, let's go. Hey, Kate Robin. Thank you so much, Wall Street. Nice to see you. Here we go. Just back in and outside resistance. Guys, this is what I'm looking at. We were in a diamond pattern. We broke in from the upside. Where do diamond patterns break out of? They break out the same way they came in. This came in from the top. It's going to go out the bottom. I know it faked out, but we have been doing this over and over and over again, right? Diamond patterns fake out a lot of the time. Now, we are sitting directly on this support. Now, I do see a little bear flag here, guys. Not going to lie. Right? We're going to go to the 4 hour because I'm going to do these really quick today. I'm going to give you the levels, right? Here we go. Here's your levels on XRP. I do see a little bear flag here, although we are pumping up, guys. If we do pump up, what are we looking at, right? What are we looking at? We are actually looking. I had this drawn wrong. There we go. I'm okay to admit it, too. Look at what we're looking at. Here we go. BTC, please. We're going to do that at the end. The torque ends on this diamond are impressive, says Farrell. Guys, the torque ends on this diamond are impressive. What they are doing is it likes to fake out up and out, right? On either side. And then it comes back down. Tricky little snap back corners. There we go, Farrell. That's what I'm looking at. I think we're going to fake back down and we're going to come back up again, maybe like double bottom under the diamond. But it'll still break back into the diamond. Guys, if you've been in here for a long time, you know that I treat patterns when price action breaks back into a pattern that price action has previously respected. I treat it as if it never left the pattern. Okay. So if we break back into the diamond from the downside, I will are you guys just making M patterns on the charts? Janetto, no. I think so too. It's powerful math coming from the other side, guys. What Farrell and I are saying is this. She's saying that the torque is pretty unbelievable from both ends. What I'm saying is this. There could be a reason for us to actually fall all the way back down to double bottom on this wick here and then make its way back into the diamond and back up. And why do I say that, guys? Because the breakdown of the diamond, right, is all the way up here. So this would get us up and out of that channel. Janetto, thank you. Hank, thank you. Right? It's acting like a magnet. That's what I see too. People never cease to amaze the world, Janetto. There we go. Thank you so much. Here we go, guys. Right? This is what I'm seeing right now on the 4 hour. 4 hours coming up on the Stokes and on the RSI. However, I see a little curvature here, guys. What happens when I see curvature? I have to heed weakness, right? I have to heed weakness. Eric Watson, can you give me that target again? I'm sorry, I was talking through it and I missed it. The target of this little inverse head and shoulders right here that's slanted. See this, guys? Shoulder, head, shoulder. It is wonky, but it is still one. This breaks up and out, and I do see a little bull flag here. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So my target is 143, Eric. Very close, right? Here we go. We need to get up. If we do happen, let's just say we get a bullish drive here. Thank you, Eric Watson. Let's just say we get a bullish drive here, guys, and everything starts to go. And this does not want to come down and retest that bottom, right? What could happen is this. This is mathy math too, right? If we get up and over this shoulder, head and shoulder, here's your levels on XRP, guys. First level is right here, 139.52. We need to get up and over this. This is XRP. Anthony, nice to see you. XRP, we need to get up and over 139.452. Next level to the upside, 140.251. Could you do BNB, please? I won't have time to, Derek. I will do it tomorrow, though, I promise, okay? I'm only going to have time to do about 2 more, I think. Maybe 3 more. Maybe 3 more. Next one, 140.251. You know I like to do what you need because you don't usually ask, but I won't have time to because I have so many on my list today. Here we go. 140.251. Guys, these are your levels to the upside on XRP. Then I'm going to do the levels to the downside, right? Here we go. Next level, guys, which, by the way, is the bottom of that diamond pattern. Are we now, Farrell? Bear with me for a second. You think this is just breaking us up to the bottom of the diamond pattern to reject and come back down? I'm wondering if that's what's happening. Ledoux, I do BTC at the end and at the beginning. We'll get there. I promise. Right? This may just be coming up to bearishly retest the bottom of that diamond to then come down and even it out and rebalance. I'm wondering. Right? So guys, your next level, next target, this is a target, is 143. That is the bottom of the diamond pattern. You have to be careful there if you're trading this. If you're trading this, you have to be careful at 143. Okay? Meant level, not target. You said one. Oh, I'm sorry. Levels are right here, guys. First level to the upside, Eric, 139.452. Next level to the upside, 140.365. The last time you called bull flag, XRP, go to 130. Danny, I'm not always right. Hate to say it. I wish I was, right? I wish I was always right. My allergies are killing me. Wish I was always right, but I am not, unfortunately. Right? 140, 194, Eric, is the next one, and then 143. Guys, levels to the downside are here, right? And I do see a little bull flag here hanging out, maybe waiting to pop through, right? Levels to the downside, first level to the downside, 134, 866. Next level to the downside, Cecil Harden, thank you. Nice to see you. Next level to the downside, guys, we got a little bit of support here at 133, 347. Possibly. The kiting is still present. Yeah, I'm wondering, right? 133, 347. Guys, is the next level to the downside. Then we've got here. Is this the level? Yeah. Then we've got here 137.23, and then our major support at 128.098, right? There we go. Late as usual. That's okay, Cecil. It doesn't matter as long as you're here. Guys, 160 people in the chat, 63K likes. Thank you so much for tapping your screen. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I was a little bit late today, but it's Memorial Day. Thank you to all the service members, right? Thank you for protecting our freedom and leaving your families to protect us. We appreciate you, and we remember all of the ones who have been fallen. Thank you so much for being in our chat. If you are a service member, we appreciate you. Here we go. Ladu, we're going to get to BTC, but not right now. Upside, 139. Dream to action. You're killing it. 139, 141, 143. Downside, 134, 133, and 128. Guys, why do I give you the levels? Because when we get off of this live, the targets don't matter. What's the time frame to hit the bottom of the triangle? We really can't say that, Anthony, unfortunately. I wish, right? I wish we could say that. Before you could gauge the time frames a little bit better, but right now we are in a volatile time. So I don't know, right? I don't know. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now. Usually I would say that would complete in a couple of days, but right now they've been lengthening the patterns. right? It will want to clear that first pull if the volume drops out, but it's a powerful bull snap wick. There we go. Yeah, so I would say like in the next couple of days, but they've been lengthening out the patterns and keeping us in a holding pattern right now, so we just don't know. Organized chaos. Nice to see you. Happy Memorial Day, right? Here we go. Rolling over. Guys, I'm going to go to Mezzo. EdgeX, right? Here we go. We are rolling over, guys. So watch out, right? It's always a volatile time. You're doing TA on crypto. Exactly, Finn. Yeah. I mean exceptionally volatile with a lot of manipulation, and I can see it in the charts, right? I'm putting a long in, fingers crossed, Anthony. Good luck. Good luck. Right, guys, let's go to EdgeX. This is a Blake pick. Blake is our pick genius, right? Guys, nothing I ever say in here is financial advice. Please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my IT alone. If you do that, you will get wrecked, right? You will get wrecked. So please do not do that. They take the diamond and stretch the front of it to form a kite. We call it a kite, guys, right? Mass holds through the extension, right? It's a holding pattern. Farrell, thank you so much for being in here. Guys, if you don't follow Farrell, go follow her. She's going to be posting more content. After that first one, it is easy, right? And hopefully she'll be up here with me some days too. Guys, go ahead and follow her. She is an unbelievable, I was going to say creator, but she's an unbelievable chartist and TA specialist, guys, on the other side of what I do. So please give her a follow. If we don't pump in the next 2 weeks, we're cooked. Hopefully we will. Just a community of Moy on the bottom. Let's go. Guys, if you don't follow me, please follow me directly from the live. Again, Chelsea, Bullish Babe. I'm here every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Janetto, thank you for the corn. I appreciate you. Oh, look at EdgeX, Blake, right? Look at EdgeX. I'm going to go into the 8 hour. We're going to run through this really quick, guys, so that I can get to Soul. I'm going to do Soul, Zek. I'm going to do some main ones today and Hype. Zol, Zek, and Hype if I can get to them, right? Actually, we're going to take a look at ETH, too, because I know that ETH is running. Blake, you're killing it. Guys, oh, this is not it. Hold on 1 second. This is not the right thing. It's the market cap, not the actual EdgeXUSD. Here we go. We're going to go to the one that Blake uses. What does he use, guys? He uses Kraken, right? Here we go. Here's EdgeX, guys, 8 hour, right? 8 hours looking up. Stokes and RSI are pushing. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at the 4 hour and see what's on the 4 hour. What am I looking at on the daily? Is this one you want me to look at on the daily? Guys, I'm looking at EdgeX, right? On the daily. And yeah, I can see this, Blake. We've got a big bull flag here. Guys, this is a wonky bull flag, but man, is it ever one. Here we go. Here's the poll. Here's the flag down here, guys. We pull this up, already breaking out of the bull flag right here. Here we go. Where are we headed? Right? Someone tell Vitalik to get in here and do a silly dance. We need it. We need it, right? Guys, big bull flag on the daily. Can you see that? I know it's wonky, but it is still one. Here's the poll. Here's the flag. This is already breaking out to the upside, guys. Thank you so much for tapping your screen, sharing out the live. That really, really helps the live, guys. I appreciate you. If you're in here for the first time, please follow me directly from the live. This is my only account, right? Here we go. Target of that bull flag, 163.64. I'm going to go down the time frames. We're going to work these out, and then I'm going to go to the other alts. Blake, this is looking spicy, and we're above the moving averages. What does it mean when we're above the moving averages, guys? Right? Means maybe a bull trap. Same thing every cycle. Alts will at most do a lower high and wrecked everyone again. It could, Finn, right? Everyone in here knows I'm a long-term bear, right? I still see lower than 40K. So preaching to the choir. Right? Preaching to the choir. We need to invalidate that bear flag on the daily if we want to go up, in my opinion. Right? 89K and then 108K. I turn 108K, I turn fully bullish. 89K, I'm 50%. What are we doing here, Blake? Right? I know what we're doing. Here we go. Here we go, guys. This is a Blake pick. We've got a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, and we're breaking out of a bull flag right now, guys. How do you measure a head and inverted head and shoulders from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the head? We pull this out to the supposed breakout. Guys, look at this mathy math. Blur said Janetto. I know, Janetto. Look at this mathy math for Blake's pick. Oh, Farrell, you like this one too? Right? Here we go. We're breaking out of a bull flag on the daily. That bull flag brings you directly up to a diagonal trend line. That diagonal trend line is the top of an inverted head and shoulders. Here it is. this breaks out, guys, you are in price discovery once you break up and over this wick at 156.046. Curls on that are gonna pay some bills. Blake, you're fire. You're fire. This looks fabulous. Tom Bahama Mama, nice to see you. What coin is this? This is Edge X USD on Kraken. Blake, you're killing it. Thank you for being part of my group, guys. If you want to join my off TikTok group, Blake is in there. He gives his picks every single day, and more than just one. And people are killing it, right? You got to watch out for these guys. They can go up and come right back down. These are high risk, so be very careful. Please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. You will get wrecked, right? Edward, I will not do Quant and IMX today, but I will do it tomorrow. I just don't have time today, okay? But I'll write it down on my list for tomorrow. Chances are I will lose my list, so just come early tomorrow. I lose every list I ever make. Parallel to crude, volume in the chart is notable. Volatility play, guys, watch out. This will probably go up and come right back down, at least to support. All right, here we go. Here's your first level. First level, 164.218. Next level, up here, and 188, and we are in price discovery. JK, I'm live at 9:15 every single weekday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Thank you so much for being in here. I appreciate you. Tom Bahama Mama, thank you. Janetto, thank you. An interesting observation by either J. Dan or Ben, can't remember, is that XLM is lead XRP for a few days. Yeah, it has been doing that. I did notice that too. Yeah, guys, J. Dan is excellent too. Right. Here we go. EdgeX. Guys, and then we're in price discovery. All right. Here we go. If we do fall through these moving averages, you got to watch out for a bigger dump down to here to the bottom at 121.390. There it is. Let's go to Soul, guys. I'm going to speed through these. I literally have 10 minutes. So we're going to do Soul. We're going to do ETH and Soul, and that's probably going to be it. Who asked for Zek, though? Here we go. Let's go to ETH. Let's go to ETH, guys. We're going to take a quick look at ETH. I'm going to be real quick because I got to jump out. I have school. Do you believe that all cryptos are a scam? No, not at all. I've been in crypto for 7 years. I wouldn't be in crypto if I believed that all of them were a scam. Are some of them a scam? 150%. Yeah, 150%. Here we go, guys. You guys know ETH for me in a diamond pattern, right? In a diamond pattern. What is my favorite pattern, guys? Right? Diamond pattern. Why? Because it usually breaks up to the exact target. Thanks for the TA today, Snack Attack. I'm so glad you're here. Nice to see you. What about crypto? Or I don't know that. I'm sorry. Here we go, guys. Taking a look at the daily. I need to find the one where my diamond is, though. Right? There it is. There it is. Here we go, guys. Oh, look at what's happening here. There's a diamond pattern here. What did it do? It broke out and broke back down, right? But what is it doing right now? If we can hold this support at the 50% level in the channel, which we are doing 50% level in the diamond, which we are doing right now at 2092. This is support, guys. We break this right here for ETH. We're forming a bear flag and we're coming down. And I will say we're getting hot on the Stokes on the daily, right? Here we go. Here's your levels. First level to the upside. We need to get up and over all of these moving averages. We're going to go to the 8. Oh, Coach Natalie, nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, everyone's coming back today, especially the Bitcoin, how to buy something if no one knows where it comes from. Vivorka, you have to do your own research, right? You buy what suits you. I don't tell you what to buy or sell, ever. Ever. Julie, nice to see you. Here we go, right? Here we go, guys. Sorry, my allergies are killing me. Here we go, 8 hour. 8 hours, 8 hours trying to push here. What is it doing on the lower time frames? Here we go, Ledu. I'm sorry, I have to mute you. You can't just keep on saying BTC. I will do BTC, but this is... There we go. Got to mute you. Sorry. Here we go, guys. What are we doing on ETH here? Right? We're kind of in a rising wedge right here. I don't love this. I don't love this, right? Yeah, we're kind of in a rising wedge here. Interesting. All right, guys, we are in a little bit of a rising wedge here. This looks like this might break down, unfortunately. All right, here we go. Here's the levels. We hold this support that we're sitting on right here. It's actually right here, guys. Good morning, Crypto Pop-Up. Thank you. Right? We hold on to this level at, where are we? Boom. 2083. We hold on to this level. We can bounce and we can come up. Where's the next level to the upside? It's up here at 2315. We get up here at 2315, guys. Very, very likely. And we get up and over it and hold this as support. We are going to 2669. Now, we come here, realize that we are breaking out of this diamond pattern to the upside. And where is the diamond pattern target? 3,038, right? So this may have just been a fake out to the downside to then come up, right? No school for me. Husband informs me a beaver screwed up our frontage. Jesus, take the wheel. Pharaoh, only you would have a beaver screw up your frontage. Is that how you say it? I don't even know what that is. But it sounds like something a beaver would like to screw up. Good luck. Good luck with that. Bjorn, nice to see you. Hello from Norway. Good morning. Right? There are your levels to the upside, guys. Right? So here, first level, 2320. Next level, 2669. And the target of that bull flag that we screwed around with, 2745. And then the target of the diamond pattern. Here it is. Right? Here we go. At 3043. Right? Next level to the downside. If we break this down, guys, this does look like a bear flag to me. I hate to say it. This looks like a bear flag to me. If we break this down, now, if it's a falling wedge, if it's just a rising wedge, we can break this down on a smaller basis here. You measure a rising wedge from the top of the rising wedge to the bottom. Guys, if you want to join Skool, I'm going in there right after this to do a lesson and some breakdown of some more charts and some alts. If you want to join us today, it's free for 7 days. Come and join us. It is in the link in my bio. That is the only way to get in my Skool. I will not DM you to get in. Okay? Link in my bio. Come join us today. I'm going to teach in about 5 minutes. Right? Stross, nice to see you. Right? Here we go. We break down this first target to the downside, 2050. Next target to the downside, guys. Oh, look at this confluence. Drink a bit before I go. Thank you, Marcus. Appreciate you. Hey, Stross, nice to see you. Guys, we break this down. Thank you, Stross. We break this down 1824, and guess what? That is the bottom of the diamond. That is support. Okay? There it is. There's your levels for ETH, guys. I'm going to go to BTC. I don't even have time to... Oh, guys, I have a quick minute to do Sol. We'll take a look at it. Okay. I'm sorry I didn't get to the rest of them. I will get there tomorrow. If you come early and request your alts, those are the ones that will most likely get done. I'm doing the bigger ones today because, guys, a lot of things are going to follow ETH and Bitcoin, right? If you were running in losses, no, we're not going to join your group. Sorry. Right? There we go. Guys, thanks to my mods, Eric Watson, Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Cosmic Crypto, Dream to Action, and B Rose. Thank you so much for being my mods in here, guys. I appreciate you. Right? Here we go on Soul. Yeah, we dropped out of the channel, guys. Right? We need to hold this level. Everyone see this on Soul? We need to hold this level, right? We need to hold this level. Why? Because if we don't hold this level, we are breaking down a wonky head and shoulders. It's right here, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. Right? We faked out down below it, and now we are coming back down. We need to hold this level at 85.75. We don't hold 85.75. Where are we headed first? We're headed down to the support at 82.28. Right? What's the 4 hours doing? 4 hours pushing up, though. We're going to give you the upside, too. So these are the levels to the downside. First level to the downside, we need to hold 85.75. Yeah, we got to hold that level or we go down, down, down. Right, guys? Thank you for the follows. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning. If you haven't, every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you haven't followed me, please do follow me right now directly from this live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. I have about 600, and they will try to scam you in your DM. So please follow me. This is my only account. Okay? 85.75. If we drop that, guys, we're coming down here to this support at 81.54. And then we're coming down here at this diagonal trend line right here at 82.06. There are your levels to the downside. We are looking like we want to push. Where are the levels to the upside, guys? I do see a inverted head and shoulders here. Here it is. Right here. It is actually right. Boom. Right there. I don't love that song, so we're going to move it. There's a lot of slow songs here today. We'll put a little Creep On by TLC. That'll do it. Here we go. Shoulder. Oh, look at this. Shoulder, head. Whoop. Sorry. There we go. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the upside, or just a W pattern. Great song. There we go, hundreds. Yeah, we'll creep on out of here for the day. Right? Here we go. Top of the trend line, bottom of the head. You drag this to the supposed breakout. There we go, guys. Levels to the upside, 87.95. Here's your target. Problem I see with this is that we are in no man's land. $93. That is a target, not a level, guys. Right? Here's your next level up here at 99.94. If we cannot bull flag all the way up there, right? We are going to roll over and come down because we're in no man's land. There are your levels on Soul, guys. I'm going back to BTC and we're going to get out of here for the day. Thank you for being here on Memorial Day. I hope you guys enjoyed the long weekend with your family. That is what it's all about, guys. Here are your levels on Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing here. Yikes. We're dropping down a little bit. What do we say, guys? Very, very likely. Look at that target hit. Very, very likely. If we came to the top of this rising wedge, which is right here, here's the top of the rising wedge, here's the bottom. If we came to the top of the rising wedge, what did I say? And we got rejected. What did we say? We were going to come down to the bottom of the rising wedge, and look at what we did. Came right down. Now we're back up and over this, right? Now, here's your levels to the upside. First level to the upside, we have to get up and over 77,863. That's to invalidate this rising wedge. Rising wedges break down. They are bearish bias pattern, guys, right? We break down here. We get up and over 77,863. We need to get up and over our main level at 77,977. We get up and over that. Guys, if you want to join Skool, I'm in there in 2 minutes, right? Come catch us in Skool. Happy holidays, Farrell. Good luck with the beaver. Nice to see you. Thank you so much for being in here. Julie, Crypto Pop-Up, Stross, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Next level to the upside, 78,425, right? We get up there, guys. Next level to the upside, 79,636, and then we have to get up and over this level. And guys, if we get up and over 81K, good luck with the beaver, I know. We get up and over 81K, that is where we can have a run. It's the 50% level in the channel, which is the bear flag on the daily. And if we get up there, we have less resistance and we can make it to the top of the channel. Where is the top of the channel, guys? Top of the channel is here at 86K. All right. There's your levels to the downside. Respect and love to all those who have served in the army and all forces. Absolutely. I'm pretty sure you shouldn't wish luck to someone's beaver, said Solano. I thought about that after I said it. Harbinger, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much. Guys, if you're here for the first time, please give me a follow directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get a lot of copycat. Harbinger, we're here to help, right? We're here to help. I'm so glad you're here. Guy, I'm so glad you're here. I'm here every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know, right? What is my life? Dog has a cone of shame and now flipping beavers. Solano, I knew that after I said it, and I was hoping no one would catch it, but leave it up to you to catch that, right? There we go. Guys, here's the levels to the downside. First level to the downside, 77,466. Next level, look at us pump it up, though. Look at us pump it up, right? Remember, we're in a rising wedge, though. We can reject at any time and come down, right? Next level to the downside, 77,318. And then our next level is actually the target of that rising wedge at 76,471. We break that. You're welcome, said Solano. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for catching what I don't, or what I do, but I don't want to say. I appreciate it. Next level to the downside, guys, 75,384. Next level, 75,273. And then we're at the bottom of the channel at 75,052. Guys, there are your levels to the upside and the downside. I will say we're getting hot on the Stokes, right? We're getting hot on the Stokes. And if we get hot on the Stokes and those lower time frames do not want to push, we've got some trouble ahead. Okay. Let me make myself big. I'm going to say goodbye to all of you lovely people. Thank you so much for being in here today. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I'm here every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for being in here. Thank you for being my crew. What a disaster. SI, nice to see you. Guys, if you would like to follow me and you haven't, I don't even have a backwards hat on today. I'm just winging it today. Steven, thank you. Crypto Angel, thank you. Guys, if you haven't followed me, please follow me right now. Click my photo, follow me directly from the live. Second thing, I have an off TikTok group. It is called Level Up. If you want to join, 7 days free to join, come and hang out with us today. I'm going there right now. Guys, I'm sorry I'm going to be a little bit late today. 5 minutes. Click the link in my bio. You can join directly from there. I will never DM you first. I will never ask for money, and you cannot join any of my classes or one-on-ones from a DM. The only way to do it is to contact us and to come through my link in the link in my bio. Okay. Guys, also, I use Bitunix. They are my primary exchange. If you want to join Bitunix and you're looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on, I've been trading there for 2.5 years. I do have a campaign going on right now. It's a 20% bonus on deposit for anything above $100, up to a $400 bonus. So you deposit $2,000, you get $400 back in futures bonus, right? WTF, we are more important in Skool. You are, absolutely. Absolutely. Guys, come and join us. All right. Lastly, especially today, right? On Memorial Day, where we remember those who have lost their lives fighting for our country, and those who have lost loved ones to people who are in the service, who have fought for our freedom. Live in gratitude today, guys. Right? Live in gratitude. Understand that. Oh, Snowboard, nice to see you. Hey, Stefan. Guys, live in gratitude. Pay it forward every single day. We are put on this earth to serve others. And if we are not serving others, we are not doing it the right way, right? Pay it forward. Do something little for somebody else today. That something little could be something big to somebody else. So pay it forward. Live in gratitude. Have a wonderful Memorial Day. Thank you so much, Stefan. Nice to see you. I know you missed me. I'll be on tomorrow, though. I'm back to a normal schedule tomorrow, guys. I will see you all in Skool. I am going there right now. And thank you for being in here today. Thank you to my mods who are fire. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.